Hey guys, in this video we're gonna go over how to import contacts into Mailchimp. Now first, we need to get our contacts into a CSV file. So whatever software you're using or tool to extract your leads, make sure to save this into a CSV file. So we'll export this as a CSV, and as you can see, it will begin downloading. Then what you want to go ahead and do, guys, is come here to Mailchimp. And if you want to go ahead and import contacts, you want to just come here and click here on actions under home. Okay, under home, click on actions and you'll see import contact. Go ahead and click on this. And here they'll tell you how would you like to add your contact. So I want you to click on this option in the middle, upload a file. Of course, you can import from another service. Okay. Or you can copy paste your new contacts from a spreadsheet or something similar. But this is the most simplest way. I can go ahead and show you right now. So uploading a CSV file. So click on continue right here. Now we can drag and drop, or you can select a file from your download. So let me go ahead and do that. So here we have in my downloads this file. I'll just go ahead and drag and drop, as you can see, and then click on continue. Now it's importing these contacts, okay? As you can see right here. And now we're able to organize our contacts. So choose your audience. I'm okay with this. Okay, answer ASAP. And if there's any existing contacts, what they'll do, they'll automatically replace their information with the data from import, basically the newest data available. And if you don't have those, it's okay. You can just go ahead and not toggle this one on. And now we can go ahead and tag your contacts. So basically, you are differentiating them. If you want to send them personalized marketing, it is a great idea. So for example, if it's a staff, if it's a member, it's a customer, they would have different tags. Okay. So I'll go ahead and choose customer right here and then click on continue. And now here, we basically go ahead and match, each column from our file to a field here in Mailchimp. Okay, so just to ensure that everything is being correctly, and you're just selecting the columns that you want to import. And if you don't want to import those, you can toggle those one off and you'll be able to see what is not being mapped. Okay. So if you're okay with everything here, just come and click on continue. Now on this section, we basically come and choose their email marketing status. So whether they have subscribed and have, agreed to be sent these email marketing content, then you choose subscribe. If they haven't, just choose unsubscribe or non-subscribed, okay, or cleaned. So I'll just choose subscribe, that they have consented, and then we can go ahead and finalize this import. So as you can see, we are going to have 75 contacts that will be added right here. So I can go ahead and click on a complete import. Now our free plan gives us up to 500 contacts. So as you can see, this is what it shows. Don't worry about this. And that is because under the organization, there were some columns that were toggled on, but as you can see right here, from Lucia, we only had 25 contacts in itself. So this is perfectly fine. That is okay. We only needed 25 of those contacts. So you can come and view the errors and see what columns were missing in the data. Okay. So here, there are those emails with the @ symbol that could not be imported, and 21 email addresses that had syntax errors. So you can go ahead and download this and look at it. Right here, you can click on view errors and download that and see, okay? But that is how, guys, you go ahead and import your contacts. You just come here under audience, click on all contacts, and you will see all the email addresses right here and their names, which is all I needed, honestly. Their names, their phone numbers, companies, and things like that. Okay, so this is perfectly fine. I only needed this anyways. And we have 25 contacts, which is exactly what we need. Okay, and it's really that easy. and simple.